Today is Tuesday, July 5th, 2022. We hope you had a wonderful time yesterday celebrating America's birthday and all that is great about our country. Next week is our halftime report at Oak Ridge Country Club in Hopkins. If you have not yet signed up for this event, please do so today. We are preparing a very important and informative presentation for you, and we sincerely hope to see you there. The presentation will start sharply at 11 o'clock, and then we will have lunch to follow. Also, we had a very busy education calendar the past few months. If you missed any of the workshops, the recordings are available for you to go back and view. Just scroll down on the events page, scroll down to where it says past events. Most recently here, we want you to be protected. Last week, we had an event called 1 Hour to Savvy Cybersecurity, jam-packed full of ideas for you to help keep you safe while you are online. With that, I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we will dive into this week's economic update. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Stocks turned lower as a quiet news week offered investors little fresh visibility into the market overhangs of economic slowdown and inflation. The Dow Jones Industrials Average dipped 1.28%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 fell 2.21%. The NASDAQ Composite Index dropped 4.13%, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, lost 1.49%. Stocks struggled last week amid poor market liquidity, typical of the summer months, and a news vacuum ahead of the second quarter earnings reports. Investors also appeared to be anticipating guidance at the July Federal Open Market Committee meeting. What little news there was proved generally disappointing. A steep decline in consumer confidence preceded Fed Chair Powell's acknowledgement that inflation may persist. Stocks stumbled after a profit warning from a high-end retailer, which highlighted recession risks. The sentiment suffered from a 4.7% increase in the core personal consumption expenditures index, which is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, and it remained near levels not seen since the 1980s. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index declined to its lowest level since February of 2021, falling from 103.2 in May to 98.7 in June. In 1985, it was 100. While consumers' assessment of current conditions slipped only marginally, their short-term outlook for income, business, and labor market conditions eroded substantially, touching its lowest level since March of 2013. The rising pessimism about the short-term outlook was especially notable in consumers' assessment of financial prospects, with 15.9% expecting their incomes to increase. This was down from 17.9% in May, and a growing share of individuals expecting their incomes to decrease at 15.2% last month in June versus 14.5% back in May. As always, we will keep our thumb on the pulse of what's happening, and we will automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we feel are in your best interest. If we are not investing your life savings for you, I invite you to visit smartmixportfolios.com to learn more. All right, that is it for this week's summary. Thank you for staying until the end today. I, of course, have another riddle for you. Remember, if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, then we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, so today's riddle is, it weighs nothing, but when you put it into any container, it makes the container lighter. What is it? Again, be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on YouTube, and we'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you would like the answer to last week's riddle, you can visit our website. I put the address there down below, and you can go and check that out and find the answers. And then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update. If you're not getting this and you would like it, you may subscribe to this update. Again, we send it out once a week at our website, www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.